Okay, last period we discussed a question. All of you got it?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
I will explain to you. I will explain. Don't worry, I will explain to you. Okay, given is a, what is this? Is a parallelogram.
Parallelogram.
Given is a parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. Draw it in your book.
Andrew.
Okay, then this angle is X and angle B is 80 degree. Angle B is 80 degree and angle D is given as Y and external angle C. External angle C is Z. External angle C is Z. So from the figure itself, we will get an angle. Which is that?
Ma'am, 80. Y is equal to 80.
Y is equal to 80.
Y is equal to 80.
From the figure itself, we will get Y equal to 80. What is the
80.
reason? What is
Opposite
the reason?
angle.
Opposite angle.
We know that angle. From the figure itself, we have angle Y equal to 80 degree. All of you write the reason for it on bracket. Write the reason in bracket. Write the reason. What is the reason? Reason is?
Opposite angle.
Opposite angles
opposite
are equal.
angles of a parallelogram are equal. You have to write in that way. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So we got angle Y. Then after that, which
Ma'am,
angle?
X. We should
X.
find X. X.
Angle X. How we will get angle X?
Angle B plus
by
angle
80.
S equal to 180.
180 minus.
Yes. Angle X equal to 180 minus 80.
Minus 80. 100.
100.
What is the
100
reason?
degree.
100 degree.
Write the reason. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. You have to write adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Write the reason. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay. Write the reason for that. Equal to 100 degree. Write the reason. Adjacent angles of a, unmute your audio, all of you, unmute your audio. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram.
Mute the audio.
Mute, sorry, not unmute, mute it. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. Okay, so we got angle X and angle Y. Now, how we will get angle C, Prarthana? How we will get angle C? Prarthana?
Linear pair.
Okay, for using linear pair, first we have to get angle C. How we will get? This angle we have to get.
Ma'am, by 360. Ma'am, by 360.
Or otherwise, Prarthana?
Opposite angles.
Opposite angles. Yes, opposite angles. X and angle C are opposite angles. So X and angle C are equal. Angle C equal to angle X. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Opposite angles, correct?
Yes.
So that is angle C equal to X how much?
100.
100. Okay, angle C equal to 100.
100.
Okay. Now we will get Z. How?
100
How?
plus angle C is equal to 360.
Okay.
Linear pair.
Linear pair.
Pair.
Yes. That is the reason. Linear pair, correct. Linear pair. Linear pair. Angle Z equal to 180 minus 100 equal to 80 degree. Reason is linear pair. Yes,
Ma'am.
somebody call me. Yes? Any
Ma'am, I
doubt?
call.
Yes. Okay, what
Ma'am,
is the
maths textbook I got from Google.
text you got? You
Yes,
downloaded?
ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am. PDF.
See, from CBSE side you got textbook. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, if
Yes.
we do it like 360 minus like
Correct.
30,000
Correct.
or no?
Correct.
Ma'am, but we are getting minus 80.
How?
Not minus
360
80.
360 minus other
80
angles.
plus.
Y is 80 and this angle also 80 and X is 100.
Ma'am.
So it is how much?
260.
260, 260.
260.
360 minus 260,
Ma'am,
100.
I got okay, ma'am.
Correct now.
Yes,
Correct. That way also both are same. You have to write the reason in bracket, only that. Write the correct reason always. Okay, while writing, doing the problems during your exam time, write the correct reason in brackets. If you write the reason once, the same problem, no need to again repeat it. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
good.
Yes, ma'am.
So next one, next question. Next question. Parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. Parallelogram AB. Draw it all of you. ABCD. Parallelogram ABCD. And one diagonal is drawn. Diagonal AC is drawn. Diagonal AC is drawn. This is X. This angle is 112. This angle is Z. This angle is 40. And angle D is given as Y. Question, find XYZ. Find XYZ. Shall we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Ma'am, B, Y.
Y equal to what? Wait. I want to ask somebody. Okay, Shivanand.
നാടാ കേക്കാം.
എടാ ID.
നാടാ
ID.
എന്താ ID? ലൈറ്റ് ആണോ മൊബൈലാണോ? ഞാൻ നോക്കിയിട്ട് വരാം. വെയിറ്റ് ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ വരാം. നോക്കിയിട്ട് വരാം.
അമ്മ അടുത്തിരിക്കുന്ന കുട്ടിയാണോ? പുറത്താണല്ലോ അതിന് വീട്ടിൽ പുറത്താക്കി കുടിങ്ങല്ലേ കേരളം പൊട്ടല്.
Hello, Smith. ഇങ്ങനെ ഇരുന്നോ? No problem.
Send me.
Smith, no problem. No, ma'am is good.
എടാ വാട്സാപ്പിൽ
But she will come.
What? You're scared.
മിണ്ടാതിരുന്നേടാ. എടാ ഡിയോണെ പറ. വാട്സാപ്പിൽ ഇടുന്നുണ്ട്.
Smith, say something. Say something.
Okay. Did you try that question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Trying still.
Okay, I will take that question. So from the figure itself, we will get one angle. Which was that? From the
100 by
112.
112.
112. What was the reason?
Opposite angle
Abhishek, what is the
of a
reason for getting?
parallelogram.
Abhishek?
Ma'am, opposite. Vertically
Yes.
opposite.
Not vertically, not vertically.
Opposite
angles.
Opposite angles of?
Parallelogram
Parallelogram are
are
equal.
Equal.
Yes, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. If you get y, what we will do next? How we will?
Ma'am, we should find x.
How can we find x? Y
Ma'am,
equal
by
to
112 plus 40.
by
112 plus 40.
One second. Okay, so y equal to 112. So to get x, 112 plus 40 we will add and we will subtract
152.
how from we will subtract
By 180.
We will subtract the sum of 40 and 112 by 180. By 180, I will show you. I will show the figure.
So 180 minus 152.
Correct. Yes, correct. So we know that y equal to 112. Write the reason. All of you write the reason for that.
Yes, ma'am.
Angle y equal to 112. Reason is opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Write the reason. Anlia, did you write the reason? Opposite
Yes,
angles of
Yes,
angles
ma'am.
of a parallelogram are equal. So we got this as 112. And here is a diagonal. So this is a triangle. This is a triangle. So from here we will get x, because sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. 180 degrees. So for getting angle x, we will subtract
180
sum
degree
of
minus
minus
40 plus
correct.
112.
Very good, very good. So it is equal to 180 minus
152 minus 180 minus 152.
152, and it is equal
28.
to
28.
28. Good,
28.
good. So angle x equal to angle x
28.
equal to
28.
28. Correct. Angle x equal to angle x
Ma'am.
equal to 28. Okay. So here
Ma'am, angle
Ma'am,
Z is
Z also,
equal to
Z.
28.
Z, yes,
Z.
angle Z and angle X are angle
Opposite
Z and
angle.
Adnan.
Alternate interior angle.
Alternate integers.
Yes, Adnan. Which type of angles are angle X and angle Z? Adnan.
Alternative.
Yes, angle Z and angle X are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. So they are equal. Z equal to angle X. So we have angle Z equal to 28 degree. So answer is angle X equal to 28 degree and angle Y equal to 112 degree. Finally, you have to write all the values you got. Question is find X, Y, Z, isn't it? So
Yes.
you have to write write the values. X equal to 28 degree, Y equal to 112 degree, and Z equal to 28 degree. Anybody wants to repeat this? I will explain once again. Understood all
Ma'am,
of
can
you?
you explain about alternate integers?
You want to explain alternate interior angles? Okay, no problem.
Yes.
See this angle and this angle. I will show you. This you have already studied, isn't it?
Yes.
So suppose I'm drawing one more parallel line. So this A, can you see what I'm writing on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
A, B, C, D. Okay. In this A, B, C, D, which are the alternate interior angles?
And B.
Here this and this angle are alternate interior angles. Similarly, instead of this line, suppose I am drawing a line in this way. Okay. So these two lines, sides of a parallelogram. These two lines are sides of a parallelogram. And this is the diagonal. Suppose, see DC and AB. DC and AB and AC is the diagonal. Similarly, this is DC. Suppose DC and this is AB. Consider this as the diagonal. So these two are the alternate interior angles formed. Here also, these two. These are these two. One, two. These are the alternate interior angles formed. I will show you once again. I will show you once again. Wait, 1 second, 1 second. I will show you. First of all, I will erase the other thing. Now, see, these are the, suppose these two are the sides A, DC. This is the side DC and this is the side AB. And let this angle, this line be our AC. AC, diagonal. Okay. Now, these two angles are alternate interior angles. You have studied last year, isn't it?
Yes.
Angle 1, angle 2 are alternate interior angles. The same angles are also in this figure. See, our X and our Z. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about these two angles, 3 and 4? What is the name of 3 and 4?
3.
They are corresponding angles. I ask you to study those 8 angles once. Did you study, anybody? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So here angle 1 and angle 2 are in this our figure in our question, angle X and angle Z. Got? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I move to the next question?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Once again I will show you. Suppose this is our DC and this is our AB and this AC is our diagonal. Okay, AC is our diagonal. So these two angles are alternate interior angles. This is X in our question, X and Z. Here X and Z. Got all of you?
Yes.
Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, so I'm moving to next. Next is read the question. I will ask you, Steve, read the question. Read the question.
Yes, ma'am.
Read it.
The measures of two adjacent angles of a
Ah.
parallelogram are in the
Right, all of you. Others, right. The measure of two
the
adjacent.
measures of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3
Is to 2. Others,
is
mute
to
your
2.
audio.
Find the
Others,
measures of each angles
your
of
audio.
a
Others,
parallelogram.
mute. Parallelogram are in the ratio 3 is to 2. Find the measure of each angles of the parallelogram. All of you mute your audio. Some disturbance is coming. Mute. Write the question.
And disturbances are.
Some is not muting their audio. That's why. How many times I am repeating the same? When I ask you to answer, that time only you can unmute. Otherwise, you mute your audio. Okay. Did you write the question? The measure
Yes, ma'am.
of two adjacent angles of a parallelogram are in the ratio 3 is to 2. PQRS. Draw a rough figure. PQRS. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, we will take it as P and Q. They are in the ratio 3 is to 2. So let angle P is to angle Q equal to 3 is to 2. Angle P is to angle Q is equal to 3 is to 2. Varada, did you write the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tia, what about you? You write it? Raulgar, did you write? Switch on your video, all of you. Switch on your video, Raulgar, Thomas Chaco, Sharhat, Gino, all of you. Sharhat, Tia, switch on your video. Okay, so angle P is to angle Q equal to 3 is to 2. But we know that the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram are sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is equal to what?
Supplementary.
Supplementary is
Supplementary.
equal to is it
Supplementary.
360? Supplementary means is it 360?
180.
180. Correct. So we can write angle P plus angle Q equal to 180 degree. Write the reason. Write the reason in bracket. What is the reason?
Adjacent angle.
Adjacent angles.
Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram. Parallelogram are supplementary. supplementary. Okay. But given that P and Q are in the ratio 3:2. If ratio is given, how can we represent it? The angles as, how we will represent the angles as if ratio is given? You studied last year. Anybody remember that? How
Ma'am, 3
can
plus 2.
we cannot simply we cannot take 3 plus 2. Huh?
Ma'am, by
Angle is not
100,
3.
100.
1 second, wait, I will explain. It is given that ratio is 3:2. Not the angle is 3. Not angle is 3 and angle is 2. Their ratio is 3:2. So,
And 3 by 2.
180 divided by 3.
180 equal to what? Equal
3
to
by
180. So before, what we will write here? 3x.
3.
3x plus 2x. 3x, but because we don't know how much that. The ratio, only the ratio is 3:2. So we will take some x. 3x plus 2x equal to 180. 3x, this is 3x, and this is 2x. If it is
So
3x,
5x.
5x. So 5x equal to 180.
180. Ma'am, x is equal to 180 divided by 5.
180 divided by 5. If ratio is given, we will take the measurement as multiplying it by some variable, because after 3x by 5x, by cancelling this x, we will get 3:5 in that way.
And
Okay.
36.
30.
36.
Okay, 36. 36. Correct. Equal to 36. If ratio is given as, so we have to take the angles as 3x and 2x. We will take the angles as 3x and 2x. So we know that the sum of adjacent angles of a parallelogram is 180. So 3x
180.
plus 2x equal to 180. So 5x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 by
5.
180 by
5.
5. X equal to 180 by 5.
36.
Understood, Evelyn, Varda,
Ma'am.
Ilna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Got all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, but what is the question? Question is find the measures
Find the
of
measurement
each
of-
angles of the parallelogram. Find the measures of each angles. We got x as 36. So what about angle P?
Ma'am, 180 minus 36.
Angle P is 3x. Angle P is 3x. So 3 into 36. And angle Q is 2x. So 2 into 36. Find out how much these angles.
And
Find out.
78 and 22.
72 and
78.
78.
108.
108 and 72. So what about angle R? Angle R will be
Ma'am, opposite.
opposite. Angle R is opposite to angle P. So it is 108. And angle S is opposite of angle Q. That is 72 degrees. So this is the answer. Angle P is 108 degree. Angle Q is 72 degree. Angle R is also 108 degree because angle P and angle R opposite angles of
Opposite angle.
parallelogram. And
Are
angle
equal.
Q and yes. And angle Q and angle S are also opposite angles of the parallelogram. Okay. I think
Yes.
I have to explain once again, isn't it?
Yes.
Some students have some doubt. I will explain once again. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all of you take your book. Now I will explain once again.
clean board.
Okay. What is the question? In the question, what is given? Given that
Measure of two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are in the ratio
yes,
3:2. Find the measure of each
okay.
angles.
Let this be A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. This is what we took, which is 2x and which is 3x.
A is 3x and B is
A is
2x.
3x and 2x. The ratio given is
3:2.
3:2. Therefore, angles we can take. Angles are 3x and 2x. Angles are 3x and 2x. So we know that angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Write the reason in bracket. Shasa, did you know what is the reason? Angle A plus angle B 180. What is the reason, Shasa? Shivanya, what is the reason?
Ma'am, supplementary angles.
Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. You have to write the reason in bracket. Okay. So let the angles be 3x and 2x. So we will take 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. So 5x equal to 180 degree. So x what you got? 180 by
Ma'am, 36
30. 180 by 5, how much you got? 36.
36.
Okay. Now we have to write the angles. Angle A equal to 3x. That is into, yes, tell me.
Ma'am, should we write this problem in our notes?
Yes, you should write. All the problems what we are doing on the board, you have to write in your book, in your notes. Okay. It is 2x equal to 2 into 36. 3 into 36 is 108 degree. 2 into 36 is 72 degree.
72.
Also we have angle C equal to
108.
108. Write the reason. Opposite angles of parallelogram. You have to write. And angle D equal to 72.
72.
Same reason. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. You have to write the reason, okay, in brackets. Okay, shall I move to the next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, hope is a parallelogram. Hope, H O P E. Hope is a parallelogram. Draw the parallelogram. All of you draw it.
Okay.
HOPE. Hope is a parallelogram. HP. Diagonal HP is joined. Diagonal HP is joined. And given that this angle is 70 degree. This angle as Y. That we have to find. It is Y. This angle is, yes, is Z.
Y is equal to 40.
Wait, we will discuss. Correct. This is 40, correct? You are correct. This is 40. Okay. Draw it. Find X, Y, Z. That is the question. Shall we start? All of you draw?
Yes.
So, okay. Y is equal to 40. Who said that?
I'm Ashmit.
Ashmit, correct. What is the reason?
Alternate interior angles.
Yes, correct, Ashmit, correct. We can write angle Y equal to 40 degree. Very good. I think you understood what is alternate interior angles. Very good. Write the reason. Y equal to 40 degree. Write the reason. Alternate interior angles. Minha, can you hear me, Minha? Minha. Minha Salim. Dominic. I don't. Minha is not
Ma'am,
in your
it's
class?
not in our class.
No, not in our class.
Some other class. They joined. That's fine. Okay, so Z you got. Hello, Y
No,
you
ma'am,
got.
Y.
Okay. Y you got. Then angle O will be. How can you find angle O? Angle
And
O.
360.
Prarthana.
No.
Linear.
Linear pair, correct.
Linear pair.
Correct. 180 minus 70. Linear pair, 110. Correct. Angle O is 110. So you will get X. Michelle,
110.
Michelle, X will be yes. So angle X equal to 110. Reason what, Michelle?
Opposite angle.
Yes, write the reason. Opposite angles. Opposite angles. Now, one more thing we have to find. What's that? Z.
Z.
How we will? We have many ways to find Z. By any way, find it. You have many reasons to find Z. From
Ma'am, linear pair can we find?
how linear pair?
Oh, no.
No, we cannot use linear pair. Why we got 40? This is 40. There are many reasons to get Z, which we will use. By any of the method you can find out. Anybody tell me one reason to get? Anybody tell me one reason to get Z?
Ma'am, 360 minus 40
yes.
plus
360 minus 360 minus angle Z, isn't it? 360
40
minus 40 plus 110. Because these three angles forms HOP. HOP, triangle HOP. Sum of angles of a triangle is 360, Ashmit. Got?
Yes.
Abhishek, understood? So, equal to 360 minus 110.
And triangle is 180, no?
Oh, see, correct. Sorry. Correct, Ashmit. Good. 180, correct. 180 minus, correct. 180 minus 150.
30
So it
degree.
is correct. 30 degree, correct. Good. Or one more way. What was the other way? Anybody? One more way to get Z.
Ma'am, corresponding angle.
This total is what? How much? This total H. This total is 40 plus
9,
H.
40.
40 plus Z, isn't it? This total 40 plus Z.
Yes, ma'am.
And this is 110.
Yes, ma'am.
Their sum will be equal to what? Total of H. That is 40 plus Z and 110.
70 degree.
Is equal, their sum will get what? Sum of these two angles. Parallelogram, these two angles are adjacent angles. So sum of these two angles are
180 degree.
180 degree. Yes,
minus 1.
Yes. So this is Z plus 150 is equal to 180 degree. From there also we will get 180 minus 150. You can use any method. Okay. Use any method to get X, L, Z. So X equal to 110 and Y equal to 40 degree and Z equal to 30 degree. Okay. So dear students,
Okay.
for tomorrow, I have sent you some homework questions.